In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to use ManageWP or ManageWordpress. For starters, you're going to go to ManageWP.com and create an account by pressing this Sign Up for Free button. If you already have an account like me, then we're going to go to origin.managewp.com/login. You're now going to enter your details and press Sign In. It will now show you an interface that might look something like this. Now for this, I've got an alert here that's saying something about a maintenance survey. For now, I'm just going to dismiss that. Next, we can go to the overview section, which will show an overview of all our updates, optimization, and all the different things you can do. This is where it'll usually log you in if you're new, I think. I'm going to close all these just for now to make it look nicer so we can see everything we're doing. As you can see here, I've got a few updates and I can just press Update All and then Update. Now to do all the updates on all of the websites that I've added to this. I can also press Optimize and it'll optimize all my websites and make them a bit faster. To add a new website, we go to here, which is websites, and then we scroll down and click on add another website. Then you put in the URL. So I'm going to find the website now, which is urbanwheelbarrow.com. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to press add, and then you add your username and password details. Once we have added our username and password details, we click on Add Website. Once your website has been added, you'll see a green tick next to the domain name. You can now from here add another website or go back to your website dashboard. From your overview, you can see backups, security, performance, link monitor, uptime, SEO, analytics, and the news feed. You can also see any comments that from any of your websites that you've added. And you can also disapprove, spam, trash, or delete the comment. I'm going to delete this comment. It is now deleted on the website. And then you can optimize all. This will make your website a tiny bit faster. You can also add clients to your WordPress admin by simply pressing Add New Client, then filling in their first name, and then adding their website and an image URL if you like. You can also add a company name, a phone number, and any notes. For now, I'm just going to cancel that. Clicking on this bell here, it'll show you any notifications. To dismiss any notifications, you simply click on the dismiss button. To edit any of your profile settings, you click on your profile picture or avatar and then settings. You can see all your settings by scrolling down or clicking on any of these menu options here.